Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel today. Thank you for stopping by. Today's message, today we're going to talk about affiliate marketers for beginners, finding your groove when you start your own online business, on any online business at all, finding your own groove, finding something that works in your business. That way you can go ahead and start growing it and exploding it as soon as humanly possible. If this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification when I do videos just like this. I do videos every day, and I want you to be notified when I do videos each and every single day just like this. Now, you know what time it is, and today it's time to dive in to finding your groove, affiliate marketing for beginners. When you're first starting your online business, what does that mean? Well, finding your groove is finding something that works in your business. So when you're first starting your online business or any online business, of course, you definitely want to work on yourself. You definitely want to find a program that's going to teach you the skill set, but you got to find something that works. So if social media is your thing, find a social media strategy in terms of traffic. Be pretty much, bringing customers from, YouTube or something or social media to your offer. So finding something that works. So if you're a Twitter person, then you need to master Twitter. If you're an Instagram type person, you need to master Instagram and all the strategy anytime you're trying to build a business, especially it's affiliate marketing, because it's all about building your list and building your subscriber base. So you definitely want to do that. And your second thing is that you want to be able to find the right coach or mentor that's really a master in those type of things. That way you can learn from that person. If it's a mentor, a coach, an advisor in that space that you can learn from and you can implement those things in your business. So finding a groove, it could just be one thing. Find one thing. Don't try to do all the social media channels. Don't try to do everything. If it's solo ads, if it's Instagram, find one thing and try to master that. When I first got online, I was trying to do everything. Twitter, Instagram, everything. Then I slowed down. I was like, YouTube. YouTube was really my main source that I go to on an everyday basis by doing videos every single day. And so it took some time to understand that. And I'm telling you, take the time to find out what works for you. How are you going to go ahead and illustrate and basically go ahead and advertise your business, or going ahead and learn something from your business by learning something from LinkedIn or Instagram or anything like that. So many different channels and so many different ways of growing your business today. So I want to come in here and let you know, yes, you can do that. Find your groove. If you're an email marketer, then you need to have, a good autoresponder. There's a lot of autoresponders out there. There's ActiveCampaign, there's SendLane, Aweber, GetResponse, there's Constant Contacts. There's so many autoresponders out there. I think they all work in some way. There's a lot of them. I tested some. I did a couple of videos about a couple of autoresponders already. I'm really a SendLane and ActiveCampaign fan. I like both of those autoresponders. But then again, you need to test it out. So if you're trying to do emails, then you need to find somebody who does email marketing very well and learn the skill set, because email still works. Email is not dead. People still open up their emails. People still respond to your emails, and people go ahead and still take action on those emails. Now, you still have people that don't open up their emails, but they still do. So email marketing is still powerful. It really is. So that's your thing, email marketing. Your next thing is, okay, if I'm doing email marketing, building my list, I do need to have some type of traffic to building that list. That's what we were talking about earlier in terms of like a social media platform. So Instagram is going to be my way of getting traffic and building my list. So I need to get good at Instagram and email marketing. That would make sense. You know what I'm saying? So if you're trying to go that angle. So just like YouTube, you want to do videos. You want to find somebody who does videos every day, hint, hint, every day. You want to find somebody who do videos every single day, and you want to go ahead and learn from them the strategies that he or she is showing you every day or anytime that they do a video. So it's really simple, because when you get online, you want to go all over the place. You went all over the place. It's like you're going 100 miles per hour. And that was me. I was all over the place. I didn't know what I was doing. And then things start slowing down, because that's when I got a mentor and a coach, and I got the right system that taught me the skill set. And I'm telling you right now that you can do that as well. And right below this video, just to let you know, right below this video, I do have an unbelievable opportunity to build your online business space. Click on the link below. It's my #1 recommendation of starting online business or even making money online. I do have a link there. You can go ahead and sign up as soon as humanly possible. I would love you to go ahead and join us today with that, just to let you know that if you're starting an online business, because I know you've been searching around, you've been maybe joining this program, but you're gonna be with me. You're gonna be with me. I'm gonna give you the goods, and I want you to be able to have success in your own business. And think about this: when you join a business, do one thing. Find one thing that you want to focus on, and then go and then master that, and then the next thing. So when you start in a business, you want to master things. So that link below here is to start the business, but you need to go ahead and have something else to drive traffic to that business, but you can go ahead and have some success in your life. This is Adam Shelton signing off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe, and go ahead and click on the link below. Go ahead and get started in your online business, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day.